Plastics is based in Henderson in Western Australia, here in Perth. We are one of the biggest users of post-consumer plastic. In other words, we focus quite heavily on using recycled product, which we re-engineer to make sure that it has all the engineering properties. We also do multi-layer molding, which means we can use recycled polymer and we can use virgin polymer on the internal surface so that there's no contamination into the potable water or the water supply or storage that we have. So the tanks that we manufactured and supplied for the Gen Y are predominantly underground rainwater harvesting or stormwater management tanks. The beauty of using an underground rainwater harvesting tank is that basically you become the interface between the entire roof area and the stormwater system. The water remains cool and it is in a dark area. In other words, it's like storing water in a cellar. So the quality of the water is extremely good. Another positive side of our Lilo tanks that we've put into the Gen Y development is that they're a shallow excavation tank, which means that the depth of excavation is less than 1.5 meters, which makes it a very, very easy install. We don't need to have a step dig, we don't need to have an angle of repose, we can basically do a straight cut, drop the tank in and backfill with the outfill. We do not need any concrete ballast. There are other tanks that require concrete ballast to hold the tank underground so it won't float out of the ground when it's empty. Our unique design has holes through the center of the tank which allows the groundwater through the guts of the tank, shall we say, so that it doesn't want to force the tank out of the ground. On top of which we have a minimum earth cover over the tank which acts as its own locking in ballast. Generally, the builder or the developer can actually do the full tank install and just leave the final hookup to the plumber itself. So it's a very simple, easy installation.